Hello friends, a warm welcome to my little kitchen. Hi Sayuri.
Hello.
So what are we making today?
Today we'll be making a potato, spinach and sesame toast.
That sounds yummy.
Yeah, it's a great breakfast recipe or tea time recipe, and it's one of the best ways to give your child spinach, because these days kids don't like to eat green leafy vegetables.
That's true. So let's get started?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The ingredients used to make the potato, spinach and sesame toast are 2 slices of bread. You can use white, brown, anyone which you like. 2 boiled potatoes, some spinach leaves, butter, oil, some sesame seeds, 2 cubes of grated cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes, and 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs.
I have washed the palak leaves thoroughly under water and now I'm going to wipe them, and meanwhile Sayuri is going to grate the potatoes. The palak leaves, dry them properly so that all the water cut it very finely. Now to the boiled and grated potato we are adding the finely chopped spinach leaves, one-fourth teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can adjust the quantity according to your taste. And these are 2 cubes of cheese, processed cheese. We're going to add some more chili flakes and very little pepper. Our mixture is ready. With the help of a knife, let's apply the mixture on the bread. Do not apply too much of the mixture, otherwise the bread will become soggy. Let's put butter in the pan and let's put the toast upside down. Just press it slightly. It will take another 2 to 3 minutes for our toast to get ready. I had flipped it once in between and put in some more butter. Now let's flip it. Wow, that's the color I wanted. Nice color. Now let's cut it into small triangles where it will be easy for your kids to eat. They have become nice golden brown in color and they look also very delicious. Or ketchup.
Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you'll be able to watch the newly posted videos. See you next time.
Bye.